Let's understand the chart, and here I can see one thing, that previously market was in uptrend and this breakout changed the direction of the trend, and now the market trend is downtrend because this support trend line has been broken. And the second thing is, if you look carefully on the price action, this is the high, this is the low, lower high, and this is the lower low. So market created a lower low, which means that now the trend is in downtrend and we are going to trade in the direction of the trend. So first of all, let's create a line of support, because I can see that market is going to respect this. So this is our support level, and once the market broke this level, it is going to fall down, and I can see that market is going to approach to this extreme level of support, you can see here. So we have got good room. If we got the opportunity, we are going to take the trade, otherwise we will wait for the market to hit the support level, and if we got a chance to take a reversal trade, we are going to take one. So as the setup is clear, the trend is downtrend currently, and we are going to take a trade in the downward direction once we have the breakout. But if the breakout happens with a strong big candle, we are not going to take the trade, because the margin, you can see that space is not there for the market to go further downward. It can reverse from this level, so I might avoid taking a trade if we got a breakout somewhere around here. But let's see how the market will behave. Right now market reverses back from the support zone, so we have to wait for a clear price action move. And one thing is very sure, that market is going to hit this level in the future, so we can get an opportunity if we can go for a short trade somewhere around here if we got the opportunity. So it is going to take some time. I will fast forward this video to save some time, and as soon as I take the trade, I will start explaining you about the setup. So let's wait. So we get a breakout from the resistance trend line, and as well as from the horizontal level of resistance. You can see we got both the breakouts clearly visible, and that's why I take an uptrend trade. The reason is simple, the price action has changed here. You can see this support trend line, market got support here and here. If you look carefully, this was the low and this was the higher low swing. So market created this higher high swing, making it an uptrend on a smaller time frame, and we also got breakout from the trend resistance as well as the horizontal resistance, and that's why I take the trade. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you in detail every step, everything that I noticed before placing this trade. So let's wait. And we won this trade at the very last second, so it was a lucky trade. So let me explain you the trading setup here. So I will remove everything first. So as you can see, when I open this chart, when I start recording this session, market was here. The first thing which I noticed is that market broke this trend support level, which means that the trend is now downtrend. And the second thing which confirmed me the trend that it is downtrend is that this was the high, this was the low, these are the lower highs, and this is the lower low. So market created a lower low swing, and it also broke this higher low swing, making it the clearing me that now the trend is downtrend. So I was in the favor of taking a trade in the downward direction, but as we zoomed out, we find out that there is a horizontal level of support, or we can say it's an extreme level of support which can reverse the market because the extreme levels are so strong. So market was here when I was thinking that if I get a chance somewhere around here, I will take a short trade here because the we got some room for the market to go for the next 5 minutes in the downward direction, but it didn't happen. Market goes up and it created a higher high swing. If you focused here, this was the low, this was the high, this was the higher low, and this was the higher high. Now as market created this was the point where market created the higher high actually. So on the minor scale, the trend changed to uptrend. Now I was thinking that market was going to hit that extreme level of support, but when I zoomed out, I found out that we also got so many support level. Like you can see, this is also a support level. So this was the support. Market, you can see here, also worked as support. So this whole zone is a support zone, or you can say a demand zone, and that's why market reverses from this level. It got volume, it reverses, and what I did after that, I just draw a trend resistance to confirm that yes, market now wants to go up. So I draw this trend resistance line and market broke this resistance clearly here. I also used a horizontal level of support which was here. So I'll just remove this because it is making the chart messy. So okay, so market reverses from here because of the demand zone or a support level. Market creates a price action which supports that yes, market wants to go up. It created a higher high swing here. You can see this was where the higher high swing was created because this was the high on the previous chart, and as soon as market break this level and closes above, this is the new high. So we can say this is the higher high. Our uptrend was confirmed here. We got breakout from the resistance level, we got breakout from the trend resistance as well. We are trading in the direction of the trend on the minor scale. Market did touch the strong support zone and reverses from that. Or as you can see, this is kind of a ranging market, and we know that in a ranging market, market moves from support to the resistance and from one level to the another. That's the basic thing. Here the same thing happened. Market reverses from the support zone. It created higher high, confirming the trend is uptrend. I waited for a breakout. We got breakout from the trend resistance from horizontal level. The price action was in our favor. We got two breakouts, we got good candlestick confirmation, and we were trading in the direction of the trend, and you can see market is going up smoothly, and that is the whole reason why I took a call trade here.